An aquatic mechanical design presentation.
Hello, my name is Michael Chaffee from Aquatic Mechanical Design, and this video segment is going to explain what is intended in our design proposal. The first thing to remember is that getting a comparable hard estimate isn't the same as getting a free estimate, because free shall ultimately have a cost, right? So, in order to buy something, it shall have a price, and more importantly, it should require being able to measure the value that is in the price, right? Free estimates are not structured to buy something, but are for selling you something, and therefore they don't generally serve the purpose for making good decisions upon a comparable analysis. So, whether you're going to build it yourself or buy a new swimming pool from a builder, you'll benefit most by starting off with a measuring device that can offer a comparative analysis for measuring equal value for an identical approach to the work being proposed. It's really not that complicated. If you want your estimates to be on the same page, then you'll need to start everyone off on the same page. Otherwise, soliciting 3 bids won't provide a true price comparison, right? On the other hand, if you begin the journey of soliciting contenders for a prescribed approach to the work scope, well then, the comparisons can be made on the basis of pricing for the like-mindedness that's been established on your plans and specifications. Specifications could include providing a schematic for how your equipment is intended to function when connected to the network of pipes and conduits, or not. Simply listing and exhibiting the equipment selections for the automation control system, pump, heater, filter, lighting, and cleaner device on a brochure doesn't confirm that the delegation of installation responsibilities are in fact responsible for achieving the first-class results that your money has invested in. So in closing, you now have a resource for connecting a price to measured value and committed accountability. Please give us a call today at 1-800-766-5259 to begin preparing for your successful swimming pool results. And thank you for listening.